Namaskar everyone and welcome to the World Avatar Day 2022. This is an offline event happening at Hyderabad at FTCCI Auditorium. We invite all of you to come and witness that vision through which any human being can understand their potentiality to become an avatar, to become a messenger of God, a Brahmagyani, a self-realized soul, and person who can give avatar level performance in all his actions in personal and professional lives. These are the people who bring needed reforms, big reforms, and transform the world by manifesting their avatar performance in their actions. And the prerequisite to do that is to know that potentiality, practice the process to develop that potentiality, realize that potentiality, and then take all the necessary actions to reflect that gyan, that wisdom into their actions. So on this World Avatar Day 2022, we invite all of you to participate and see how giving an avatar level performance is possible, and we are all born with that potentiality. We welcome you to World Avatar Day 2022. Namaskar.